everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I am here to review another product for you guys. It's gonna be another Huda Beauty product. Well, I haven't uploaded the last one. This video might go up before the other one, but that's okay. So I'm gonna be trying on this Huda Beauty metallic lipstick. It retails for $21. This is what it looks like. This is just the outside with the plastic. I saw these online when I was buying other stuff, and I was like, oh, I gotta have it. In the pictures or in the videos that I watched, they look like shiny, but they had like glitter, like Barbie. So I am very excited to try this lipstick. Oh, that's my dog, I'm sorry. Is my dog. If you hear noises in the background, that's what it is. Oh, and the color is After Party. So it says metallic lipstick, powerfully pigmented, one stroke application, comfortable glitter finish. So again, it's got a glitter finish, which I'm super excited about. It looks like that's it. I'm ready to try this. Here's the lipstick right here. It's so beautiful already. It is so pretty. Look at that. Packaging looks amazing. So unique, so nice. I like that it's like this square. I don't know, it looks cool. It doesn't even look like a lipstick. It just looks like a brick. Like a pretty brick. Not just a regular brick, a pretty brick. I don't know where I'm going with this, but you know, it makes sense in my head. So it says Huda Beauty right there, and I'm gonna open it, and I heard that these are like magnetic. Yep, this is magnetic. That is so cool. I know this is like not really a big deal because it is just a lipstick, and it doesn't need this, but this is really, it's like different, you know? Nobody does this. I mean, maybe someone else does this, but I haven't seen any lipsticks do this. It's just like a little extra thing, you know, for people like me, like queens like me that need some extra in their life. Here is the lipstick. So pretty. And I'm gonna go ahead and open it now. Are you guys ready for this? Here we go. Oh my gosh, I need to get my dog out because she is making too much noise. Come on, baby. Go outside, baby. Sorry, my dog makes a lot of noises. Okay, so here's the lipstick. Here we go. Ooh, look at that. Oh my goodness. It's not focusing. It won't focus. Okay, there we go. You can kind of see it. There we go. You can see it from afar. Here it is up close. It's so shiny. Do you guys see all the glitter? All the beauty in here. Wow, so magical. Look at that. When I put it towards the light, it's like, whoa. This is the kind of lipstick that you wear when you're gonna go to a ball, or when you're gonna go to, I don't know, to a fancy dinner, something really nice. I am so excited to try this, and the way they shaped it, it looks like so prismatic. I don't know, it's so cool. Now I'm gonna be trying this lipstick. I hope that it is worth my buck. I'm gonna go get a mirror. I'll be back. Okie dokie, I'm back. I'm gonna be using this lip liner by Huda Beauty. It is the Trophy Wife lip liner, or lip contour. Here it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips really quick, and we'll see from there. Okay, my lips are lined, and the reason I picked this one is because it looks red on the screen, but it's not red. It is a mauve pink, and that is like the only pink liner that I have. So we're gonna work with that. I get my little mirror. Woo! Past the line. Wow. Ooh, oh my god. It's gorgeous. I feel beautiful. Like a princess. Oh, no, not like a princess. Like a queen. Ooh, shiny. I like it. I like it a lot. Let's look up close. My tripod almost fell. That would have been bad. I love this lipstick. I think it's gorgeous. Here, let me get closer because, like, you're a little far. It's gorgeous. It glides on. It's moisturizing. So I think it was worth it. It is $21. I don't think I will be buying this one often just because I'm not really a metallic type person. I don't like wearing metallic lipsticks often. Guys, please like my video if you like this video, obviously. Me personally, I'll probably be buying this like once a year. It'll probably last a whole year. I just don't wear metallics. I like more of a matte lipstick, but it's so cute, so pretty. It reminds me of Barbie. It's shiny, shiny, shiny. I don't know. You do get a nice packaging. You do get a metallic cap, which is really neat. And I think they did a really good job at how they made it, how it looks. It looks super nice. It's gorgeous. I mean, it's so pretty. It is a regular size lipstick. I don't think they're ripping us off. Also, like lipsticks that I've bought, like MAC and like Laura Mercier or Marc Jacobs, they're all very, very expensive. I think for this brand and making such a nice lipstick and with all the packaging and the texture of the lipstick, I think it did a really good job. I want to give this one overall a 10. Although I do think it's a little pricey, I think it is worth that price based on everything. Like, it glides right on. It is moisturizing. You won't have to worry about dry lips, which is amazing. You guys know that a lot of lipsticks do tend to dry your lips a lot. Like I said, I won't wear it too much, but I will be wearing it. And I think for special events or when I'm going out with someone or if I'm gonna go to a party or something, I think this is ideal for that. And I think it looks really good on me. It's gonna be a 10 from me. I think that's it for this review. I do recommend wearing a lip liner before you put this on because it is very, very buttery. And if you don't, it's gonna get real messy really quick. Guys, please comment down below. You don't know how much I appreciate the comments. Please subscribe if you guys want to see more of my videos. I'm gonna be uploading more and more. Let me know what you guys want to see next and comment down below if you've tried this lipstick or if you are planning on trying it. I want my channel to grow and I am excited to grow this channel. It also has been helping me with my self-esteem. I am just a shy person in general, so it doesn't take a lot, but I want to say it's just a little bit hard for me to be a little more loose in front of the camera, especially the first times that I've been making videos. I feel like it also helps me with my communication, and I just love sharing what I love with you guys and what I am interested in, and I love to try new things and I love to share it with you guys. Please like this video, comment and subscribe, and please check out my last video. I did my makeup today with that foundation that I last reviewed. It's the Rainforest of the Sea water foundation. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and wait, Twitter? Yeah, I have Twitter. On Twitter or Facebook, message me and let me know if you guys watched my video. And I got this nice bracelet. I never wear this. It's so pretty. It's supposed to dangle, but I just wore it like that. It's so beautiful. I love this bracelet, and it's just been sitting there because I forget about things like that. Look guys, this is my little girl, my baby. Her name's Diamond. Look, who's that? Who's that? Who's that, baby? Who's that? Who's that over there? Look. Look, who's that? Who's that? Who's that, baby? Is that you? It's you. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and close off this video. Thank you guys all for watching. Whoa, what the? What are you doing, Mimi? Okay, she's tired. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys all have a wonderful day today. If you are having a hard time or having a hard day, just remember that it is just today and tomorrow will be a better day. And this is something that I remind myself every day when I do have a bad day. I did not have a bad day, guys. Don't get it wrong. Today was actually a really good day. But when you do, I just want to let you guys know that this is what I do when I am having a really rough day. I just tell myself it's temporary, tomorrow will be brand new. So always remind yourself that tomorrow is a better day. But really guys, I hope you have an excellent day today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and please watch my other video if you guys are interested in the foundation that I tried on. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a blessed day. Bye.